Welcome to this demonstration of DENSO's all-new handheld terminal, the BHT-M80. This video will cover 4 areas and highlight the features that make the BHT-M80 a comprehensive solution that can increase productivity, save time, and reduce errors. These 4 areas are work efficiency, usability, durability, and CPU power and support software. Let's get started. Work efficiency is supercharged by BHT-M80's advanced scanning technology. This includes top-class scanner range that can capture labels as close as 2 inches or less, and as far as 5 feet or more, providing users with greater flexibility than ever before. That flexibility is exemplified using this expanded scanning range, approximately from shoulders to knees, reducing the need to bend and kneel and saving workers from unnecessary strain on their bodies. The BHT-M80 also increases the speed of scanning with a continuous mode, so multiple labels can be captured with one long continuous scan, instead of doing each label one at a time. This functionality represents a 300% increase in speed compared to other terminals, and can scan up to 30 labels per second. This is especially valuable when scanning many items along a shelf, or from the top down in the case of stacked boxes or trays. Efficiency can be increased even further with the device's scan through glass functionality that enables workers to scan through glass doors without the need to open and close each one. The terminal is also equipped with NFC RFID reading capabilities and advanced optical character recognition or OCR reading functionality. All of these applications enable increased worker efficiency, allowing them to perform a day's worth of inventory work in half a day, lowering the median time to value and raising the return on investment. It also delivers a less stressful worker experience. But the speed and range for capturing labels represents only one half of the way that the BHT-M80 can improve worker efficiency. The second half involves the ability to read difficult-to-read labels. DENSO has integrated a highly advanced decode engine and high-resolution sensor in order to read poor quality, damaged, and distorted labels with precision. This can include labels that have been smeared over, for example ones that have been written on with a marker like this one. Labels with poor print quality, low contrast, or cracked barcodes. And labels that are close to other objects and have little or no space margin. The BHT-M80 can even accommodate direct part marking and scan printing done directly on surfaces, for example circuits and other manufactured parts. Finally, DENSO's new scan engine can make quick work of labels with high specular reflection, such as those wrapped in plastic or that have been laminated. Take this label for example. The specular reflection has made it virtually invisible to other scanners unless the user shifts to an awkward hand position. This is due to the scanner's narrow 20-degree scanning angle. With the BHT-M80's wider 40-degree angle, the reflection is reduced and barcode is visible, reducing the need to shift from a natural hand position. The next area of focus is usability. DENSO's BHT-M80 makes ease of use a priority so users can work at their best. All terminals are built on an Android 10 intuitive operating system, which is familiar to many users through their smartphones. This familiarity means the tool is easy to learn, so workers can start using it right away without the need for extensive training. The BHT-M80 also features a large 5-inch HD screen with optimal touch functionality, so it can be used in various locations without the need to change settings. Nylon gloves in a distribution center, thick soft gloves in a refrigerated room, thin rubber gloves in a healthcare environment, bare hands in multiple environments, droplets on the screen while out in the field. For all of these scenarios and more, the touch panel will automatically adjust its own sensitivity to reflect the needs of its environment. Of course, you can use a stylus as well. The BHT-M80 is also equipped with a high-visibility LED target. Unlike other tools where the marker disappears in sunlight, DENSO's marker can be seen more clearly during outdoor operation and from various angles. The terminal accommodates low light use as well and can help workers operate in darkness with navigation keys that are backlit. Finally, DENSO facilitates continuous use with various ways to keep your terminal charged and ready for work. A quick direct charge through a widely used USB-C connector makes it easy to keep the battery at full bars. And in the event that the terminal runs low before the work is done, it has battery hot swap capabilities, so you can pop out the low battery with one-touch action, replace it with a fully charged one, and get right back to scanning. And in the event that a battery is reaching the end of its life cycle, the battery health monitor detects battery deterioration and provides alerts that the battery needs to be replaced, so you're never left stranded. Add to this an ergonomic design with an angled scan head, which supports a more natural hand position in comparison to the awkward hand position necessary when the scan head is at the top of the device. The angled scan head also enables the worker to see the screen as they're scanning, which cultivates higher productivity along with less stress on the worker's wrist. Durability is another critical area where the BHT-M80 provides an enhanced experience. Because whether it's in a distribution environment, manufacturing, retail, or healthcare, DENSO knows that hard work is often accompanied by hard surfaces that require hardened tools. That's why the BHT-M80 is built with a rigid, lightweight magnesium frame and has been tested for drop durability and withstood 6 drops at 2.5 meters, 60 drops from 1.5 meters, and 2,000 drops from 1 meter. It's also equipped with an elastomer bumper that protects the barcode scanning windows from scratches and the whole unit from omnidirectional shock, and a scratch-resistant Dragon Trail Pro screen, an industry-leading tempered glass, that can provide high visibility on a long-term basis. Additionally, the terminal has IP67 compliant resistance to dust and water, so it can be used in dust-heavy factories and facilities and outdoors in rainy weather. With these features, the BHT-M80 is ready to withstand everything from a drop on a concrete floor to operation in some of the harshest environments without missing a beat. The final area of focus is CPU power and support software. All of the BHT-M80's advanced functionality is driven by a Qualcomm 64-bit STM660 octa-core processor, which delivers maximum performance without unnecessary interruptions, even if several processes are running at the same time. The terminal also provides numerous connectivity options, industry-leading Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and 4G LTE VoLTE cell phone communications with GMS. And finally, the BHT-M80 comes with a suite of software solutions that support your work efficiency and allow you to be up and running quickly. This includes BHT Booster, an application builder designed for even the non-programmer to develop customized applications for their unique needs. Booster features 6 types of work that you can use right out of the box: data collection, one-to-one verification, one-to-N verification, picking, master verification, and inventory. You can use these as templates to create more customized applications or build a new application from scratch, all through a clickable interface right on the device itself. Together, the increased work efficiency, high usability, durable design, and powerful hardware and software of the BHT-M80 brings an exceptional experience and best-in-class solutions to DENSO's customers. And the results speak for themselves: delighted customers, greater speed, increased agility, better reliability, and improved quality. At DENSO, we know that our customers are striving to reach their goals 24/7, 365, and we're proud to provide tools that are tough enough and powerful enough to help them get there. Learn more at denso-adc.com.